What's up, everyone? It's Jimmy, and today we're making 5 insane desserts with just 3 ingredients each. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tasty goodness. First up, we're diving headfirst into a classic peach cobbler. This dessert is so simple, you'll wonder why you haven't made it before. You're gonna need a can of sliced peaches. Don't drain them. The syrup is key to making this cobbler extra juicy and flavorful. A box of yellow cake mix, which will give our cobbler that perfect sweet and crumbly topping, and a stick of melted butter. Yep, that's it. Just 3 ingredients to create a dessert masterpiece. Now crank that oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheating is crucial to ensure even baking. Pour those juicy peaches into a baking dish, making sure to spread them out evenly. Next, sprinkle the cake mix evenly over the top, covering all the peaches. This will form a delicious crust, and drizzle that melted butter all over. The butter will help the cake mix turn golden and crispy. Pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes, or until it's golden brown and bubbly. Keep an eye on it to avoid overbaking. Get ready for the aroma of pure heaven to fill your kitchen. Once it's done, let it cool slightly before serving. Enjoy your homemade peach cobbler. Next up, we're getting fancy with some scones. These aren't just any scones. They're the perfect blend of simplicity and elegance. Perfect for impressing guests or just treating yourself. Don't worry, these bad boys are still only 3 ingredients. Yes, you heard that right, just 3. No need to be a master chef to whip these up. We're talking self-rising flour, heavy cream, and your favorite jam. These simple ingredients come together to create something truly special. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial to get that perfect golden brown finish. Mix 2 cups of that flour with a cup of heavy cream until it forms a dough. It should come together easily and be slightly sticky. Pat it down on a lightly floured surface, cut out your scone shapes, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Watch them rise and turn golden. Once they're golden brown, let them cool slightly, then slather them with that delicious jam. The jam adds a sweet, fruity touch that complements the scone perfectly. Boom! You've got yourself a bakery-worthy treat. Serve them up and watch them disappear. Enjoy your homemade yet sophisticated scones. Chapter 3. Apple Danish. This ain't your grandma's recipe. Alright guys, time to step up our game with some apple Danish. This isn't your typical old-fashioned recipe. We're bringing a modern twist to a classic favorite. Grab some crescent roll dough, apple pie filling, and powdered sugar. These simple ingredients are going to make a delicious treat that's quick and easy. Unroll that crescent roll dough onto a baking sheet. Make sure to spread it out evenly so it bakes perfectly, and spread that apple pie filling right in the middle. Fold those edges over, creating a nice pocket for the filling to stay in. Brush with some melted butter, making sure to cover all the exposed dough. This will give it a beautiful golden color and a rich flavor. And bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't overbake. Once it's golden brown and puffed up, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Dust it generously with powdered sugar. This adds a sweet finishing touch that makes it irresistible. This is the perfect breakfast treat or afternoon snack. Enjoy it with a cup of coffee or tea and savor every bite of this delightful pastry. Chapter 4. Chocolate mug cake, the ultimate single-serving dessert. Craving something chocolatey? I got you. This chocolate mug cake is about to rock your world. All you need is some chocolate cake mix, milk, and chocolate chips. In your favorite mug, mix 1/4 cup of cake mix with 3 tablespoons of milk. Stir it up until smooth, then sprinkle in a handful of those chocolate chips. Microwave it for about 60 to 90 seconds or until it's cooked through. Top it with some ice cream or whipped cream for the ultimate indulgence. Chapter 5. Panna Cotta. Italian elegance made easy. Last but not least, we're going international with some panna cotta. Don't let the fancy name fool you. This is still just 3 ingredients. Heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. In a saucepan, heat up a cup of heavy cream with 1/4 cup of sugar. Bring it to a simmer, then stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour that mixture into ramekins and let them chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Top it with some fresh berries and prepare to be amazed. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredibly easy 3-ingredient desserts that are guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more awesome recipes. Until next time, stay sweet.